What are we getting cappuccinos?
You guys are fucking assholes. Oh, look, Ford F-360. What a bunch of dickheads. Where are we going? Nobody knows where they're going right now.